Okay, let's one more chapter we will study. This is class 5, chapter SST. Book SST we will study. Here is one chapter, 7 chapters, geography portion we will study today. The land of the Iceland and Greenland. The land of ice, Greenland. Then here we will study what here is saying our book. There is 4 topics we will study mainly. Greenland, its location, then physical features and climate also we will study. People, what kind of people they live, that also we will study. Then transport also we will study. The North Pole and the South Pole are the farthest from the equator. They receive very slanting sun rays, so they are the coldest. The sun never arises in the winter and never sets in the summer. When it is shining, it is still very cold because of the very slanting sun rays. This region are the very ice cold. The regions around the poles are the cold that tundra zone. These are 2 tundra zone. One lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere, and the other between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. The continent of the Antarctica lies in the tundra zone in the southern hemisphere, but it is dry, icy and cold. However, hard winds blow here, so no people live there except a few scientists and the visitors. In the northern hemisphere, the tundra zone is located in the northern parts of the North America, Europe and Asia. Greenland and the largest island in the world is located here. We shall study in this lesson Greenland location. Greenland is the largest island in the world. It is in the autonomous province of the Denmark. It was discovered by a Viking explorer named Erik the Red. It is located to the northeast of the Canada. It is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean in the south and the Arctic Ocean in the north. The Baffin Bay lies to its west and the Greenland Sea lies to its east. Greenland digital statistics we will see. Name Greenland name is the Greenland, a part of the Danish kingdom. Then area to 21 lakh 66,000 square kilometer are there. Capital Nuuk, that is God Thep. Another name, official name is Kalalite Nunen. Then Kanansi Danish Kron. Population about the 56,000. Flag you can see here each. Thank you. Physical feature and climate we will see here. As Greenland is situated in the tundra zone, it is climate of the extreme type. It is cold, very cold. Throughout the years, the temperature may go as down as 47 degrees centigrade below zero during the winter. Even during summer, the temperature does not go higher than plus 10 degrees Celsius. More than 80% of the land area remains ice-capped. The ice cap is as thick as 3,000 meters at some places. The southern part of the island has the somewhat better climate, so most of the people live there. Greenland receives slanting sunrise, no sun shines during the winter. So it is dark throughout, while sun shines continuously during the summer. Due to low temperature, it shows and it does not rain. You can experience chilly winds here all the years around. The next point we will study natural vegetation and the wildlife. Stream called dissolve any vegetation in the Greenland. However, in the sunrise when ice melts, some grasses, shrubs and lynches grow. Some flowers plant can also be seen. The animals living there have well adapted to serve winter. They have thick fur. Common animals found there are the reindeer, musk ox, polar bear, silver fox, seal, wolf, vulture, tick, har, etc. There are hardly any birds here, but a lot of birds migrate to his place during summer for the nesting and feeding. A lot of fish are found in the water, such as the shrimps, salmon, helipad, and cod. These all animals you can find this forest and Greenland. Then people, what kind of people live here? We will study. The people of the Greenland are called the Eskimos. Those who are living in the Greenland, people are called Eskimos. They have the narrow black eyes, narrow skin, and short height, but they are very strong and agile due to the harsh life they live. Many Europeans too have the settled here. The people wear the cloth made from the animal skin, and for the jacket has a hook, and it and is called the parka. They wear knee-high leather boots. The chief occupation in Greenland are the hunting and fishing. The use or harpoon for the hunting. A harpoon is type of the spear attached to the leather rope. It is interesting to know the way they hunt. They dig out to a hole in a ice and wait on its side for a seal to come up for the breath. When it comes out, they shoot the harpoon and drag it out. Today, they use refills for this purpose. Hunting has made seal in engaged in the intergrade special. The Eskimos make a special type of houses called igloo to live in the winter, as igloo is made from the ice, wood, stone, or animal skin, or the combination of this. It is a dome-shaped small room. It is kept hot by the burning lamp. A small hole is made on the roof for air and for the smoke to escape. Its inside wells many be covered with the animal skin. Now few people live in igloo. They are started to live in a permanent houses made from the wood and stone. Transport. It is almost impossible to build any roads or railways in Greenland due to ice cap, so only some roads are available. The people generally use sleighs drawn by reindeer or dogs to go from the one place to another place. Roads are extensively used in the coastal area. The motorized boats and motorized sleighs are also used now. There are 18 small airports, and the important cities are connected by air. Development, how development happen here, we will see here a little bit. Okay, due to a harsh climate, Green has faced a problem in the develop, but now it has been light of development in the recent area, especially with Denmark's help. The cities have the modern facility like school, college, hospital, markets, clubs, etc. The chief occupation are fishing and hunting, but many factors have been set up in the package meat and fish mining, and while drilling too are the picking up. Sheep are the made in the horse tail bag, the important required item from the European countries. Important city, Nuuk, Godthab. It is the chief capital of the Greenland. It is the largest city here. It is connected to America and Denmark by air. Horstelberg, it is the important seaport where a large seaport is located. These all things we have studied. Thank you for hearing and listening. Then studying. God bless you all, and go keeping well, and go ahead to learn this chapter and again listen this video. Okay. Thank you for everything.